I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to do the speed test comparison between both phones, Realme X1 Max and the OnePlus Nord CE device. So let's see friends, which phone will be kind of really faster in terms of opening 25 applications. I'll try to do the speed test. I'll try to see the RAM management as well. Which phone will be able to perform the best in terms of the RAM management by keeping in the memory this 25 applications. I do know the average user will be using maybe close to 15 applications, 10 to 15 apps, but I just want to push the limits of this both phones. Let's see friends, which phone will be having the better kind of performance. And the Realme X1 Max has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset, and the variant which I'm trying to use is a 8GB RAM variant, and in the OnePlus Nord CE also, which is of 8GB RAM variant only. As you can see friends, 8GB and 8GB, both are 8GB RAM variant. So let's see friends, which phone will be having the better kind of performance in terms of the speed test and RAM management as well. So first let's do the reboot test between both phones. Let's see which phone will be able to reboot faster. That is what I'm going to check first. Yes. So let's see friends, which phone can do the reboot first. And in case if you enjoy this kind of content, so don't forget to hit that subscribe and also do support me friends in terms of reaching the 1 lakh subscribers. So it takes a lot of time and effort in making so many videos for you all. So try to please share my videos with your friends and make sure to hit that subscribe and also help me to reach the 1 lakh subscriber count as soon as possible. So right now we are just close to 71,000, as you can see friends. So definitely we need to reach the 1 lakh subscribers as soon as possible. And don't forget to share my videos in any other social networking sites if possible. So first phone to reboot is the OnePlus Nord CE device. So OnePlus Nord CE is the first phone which rebooted successfully without any problems. So now let me try to clear all the background applications. So all the background applications are completely cleared and both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network. Let me connect to the same kind of Wi-Fi network. Let me open the Wi-Fi settings in both phones and make sure that both have the same kind of Wi-Fi. I'm trying to connect to the 5 GHz network, as you can see friends, 5 GHz. So both are connected to the 5 GHz network at this point. You can clearly see that. So now let me try to open this one by one application starting from the Google Chrome. So let's see friends, starting from the alarm clock application, let's see which phone will be able to open this kind of basic applications, and some applications includes normal usage and some are general usage purpose. So let's see start with the first application, which is a clock. So clock, both phones did open fast. Let me to keep something in the background in the memory. I'm trying to keep something. Let me just slightly zoom it into the subject so you'll be able to see it properly. I think this should be kind of okay. So let's use a DRM info. I'm just trying to keep in the background. As you can see, the Realme X1 Max did load slightly faster, and music player also loaded faster in the Realme X1 Max. So YouTube Music, I think both phones did load at the same time. Next is the touch sampling rate application, which I'm trying to test the touch sampling rate in both phones. Let me go back to the home page. And now let me open the Google Chrome application in both phones. As you can see, first loaded in the Realme X1 Max, the Google Chrome application. Next is the WhatsApp. WhatsApp also slightly first in the Realme X1 Max, little bit but not much. Instagram as well. Next is the Flipkart. Flipkart also slightly first in the Realme X1 Max. And next is Amazon. Let's see friends, which phone will be able to open the Amazon application faster. So both phones did open kind of slightly faster to each other. Let me open the mobiles. So I'm trying to keep in the background as the mobile phones. Let me open the YouTube. YouTube, I think slightly both phones are slightly close to each other, nothing much difference. Next, speed test. First loaded in the Realme X1 Max with the Dimensity 1200, then in the OnePlus Nord CE device. So I'm trying to do the speed test, Wi-Fi speed test at the same time. So let's see which phone can get that kind of high speed Wi-Fi. So 67 Mbps right now. So 30 Mbps of speeds I'm getting here. So now let me try to go back. As soon as this finish, I'll try to go back to the home screen in both phones. It's done. And the OnePlus Nord CE still taking some time and it's done. And let me go back to the Play Store. Play Store both open at same time. I'm trying to keep in the background this both, and the camera, yes, slightly slower in the OnePlus Nord CE, and the Facebook slightly first in the Realme X1 Max. And Prime Videos, let's see friends, Prime Videos, which phone will be able to open faster. I think both phones did open slightly faster in terms of Prime Videos, nothing much difference. And next, Gaana, I think Ghana also both phones. I think slightly. If there is no ad, so definitely the Realme X1 Max can do it better. Let's see friends which phone will be kind of really good in terms of the RAM management. That is what I'm going to see, because 25 applications is not a easy task. Definitely I can know that. Let's see whether the Snapdragon 750G processor can be able to match with the Dimensity 1200 or not. Zoom, not bad. Next is RX monitor I'm trying to open. Gallery and calendar, both open at same time. Next is calculator. As you can see, this calculator I'm trying to keep in the background. So now we do have the pretty much all the applications from the starting. As you can see from the clock, let me try to press the clock. Let's see which phone will be able to get that kind of in the memory. This is going to be really interesting test friends. So now the actual action starts. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, both phones, they do have the same kind of memory. It's working perfectly all right. Again, it's getting loaded in the OnePlus Nord CE, as you can see friends, but in the Realme X1 Max, it's perfectly all right. It's good. YouTube Music, it did not get loaded in this Realme X1 Max. That's another good thing. So this also there, and Chrome slightly loaded, but it's got fastly loaded in the Realme X1 Max. WhatsApp, Instagram, the number is there, even this number is also there in phone. And the Flipkart, you can see the backs, and this one same page, so no issues. And Amazon, there should be some mobiles, yes, that's perfect. And the YouTube, as you can see friends, right now I did keep this kind of my page as a background, but it did not get open, as you can clearly see that. And next is a speed test. Speed test also not in the background in both phones ultimately. Play Store, yes, both are in the background. Camera, Realme X1 Max did open faster. Facebook also fast in the Realme X1 Max, that's fantastic. And the Prime videos, both are kind of loaded fast. Ghana as well. Ghana slightly again reloaded, that's shocking in the Realme X1 Max. But Myntra, as you can see, Myntra is exactly in this page. I did open this kind of page. And Paytm, not bad. Zoom, again it's got reloaded in the Realme X1 Max. This is another application which I am open. And next is the RX monitor application. And next is gallery. Gallery slightly faster in the Realme X1 Max. And calendar slightly faster in the OnePlus Nord CE. Calculator, as you can see, both. So alright friends, one thing I did understand is that both phones are slightly close to each other in terms of the opening the applications, but in the RAM management, slightly little bit kind of better in the Realme X1 Max. It opened the applications instant, so it did not get reload again few of the applications. So it's about the final conclusion friends, and thank you for watching this video. And for normal everyday day-to-day usage without gaming, if you want to have a phone but which should be really good in terms of software updates as a future-proof option, then you can buy the OnePlus Nord CE. So if you want little bit kind of gaming, then definitely you can go for the Realme X1 Max device. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.